I'm starting with some roughly chopped salad onions and garlic cloves. To that I'm going to add some honey, a tablespoon of sesame oil. For the full recipe, just click on the link in the description. Some chilli flakes, some soy sauce, and about 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar. And just whisk that together to make quite a coarse, wet paste. Tip that into an oven-proof dish, and I've got some chicken stock I'm going to add. And this is going to give lots and lots of flavour to our pork and keep it really moist while it cooks. Now that needs to go into the oven for about 20 minutes and then lower the heat, cover it with foil and cook it gently for a further 2 hours till it's really soft and tender. So my pork has rested now for 10 minutes, so it's ready to shred. Cut off that skin. And then shred the meat using 2 forks. I'm going to add back a couple of spoonfuls of that flavoursome liquid just to moisten it. And now we're all ready to assemble. I've got some cooked rice here. Place it in the base of a Chinese leaf. Put some of the pork on top and then finish that off with a little sprinkle of chopped chives. Really delicious, slow cooked pork belly. For more lovely recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.